Hello dear, how are you? There is a simple problem. We have to find the area between two curves. First curve is y is equal to minus 2 over x cube, and second curve y is equal to 1 minus 3 over x square. These curves intersect at this point. We have to find this R shaded area. To find this R shaded area, first of all we have to find the point of intersection of these two curves. To find the point of intersection of these two curves, we have to solve the equation 1 and 2. So we equate equation 1 and 2 to get the point of intersection. By equating, we get minus 2 by x cube is equal to 1 minus 3 by x square. We get 1 minus 3 over x square plus 2 by x cube is equal to 0. By multiplying x cube, we get x cube minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We know factorize. We write x cube minus x minus 2x plus 2 to 0. By taking x common, we get x squared minus 1. By taking minus 2 common, we get x minus 1. We again common x minus 1. By taking x minus 1 whole common, we get x multiply x plus 1 minus 2. We get x minus 1 multiply x squared plus x minus 2. We again factorize x squared plus x minus 2. We get x minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. We get x minus 1 whole square multiply x plus 2 is equal to 0. By putting each factor equal to, we get x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. We get x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 1 and we get x is equal to minus 2. Here we discard the value of x equal to 1 because the point of intersection of these two curves lies on left of y-axis and its value will be negative. On left of y-axis, value of x will be negative, so we take the value of x equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 is a point where these two curves intersect each other. We know find the area from x equal to minus 2 to x equal to minus 1. Which will be the total area, this red shaded area. To find this red shaded area, we use the limit minus 2 to minus 1. Red shaded area, we write red shaded area will be minus 2 to minus 1. We use the curve minus 2 by x cube dx. Minus 2 is a constant. We write minus 2 to minus 1 x raised power minus 3 by applying the integral value minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. We get limits of integration from minus 2 to minus 1. We get minus 2 which will be cancelled by this minus 2. We get 1 by x and the limit of integration minus 2 to minus 1. After applying the limits of integration, we get 1 by minus 1 minus multiply 1 by minus x square. Minus 1 over x square minus 1 over minus 2 whole square. We get 1 minus 1 by 4 which will give 3 by 4. The red shaded area will be equal to 3 by 4. In this red shaded area, this smallest area also will be included. Now we try to find this smallest area. To find this smallest area, we have to find this smallest area because we have to subtract this smallest area from total area. It is not our required area. This smallest area we have to subtract from this total area because this area is not included. This area is not included in this total area. We have to find this smallest area. To find this smallest area, we have to find the point where this curve where this curve cut x-axis. I mean to say we have to find the x-intercept of this curve. We have to find the x-intercept of this curve. In this way, we can easily find this point where this curve y equal 1 minus 3 over x square cut x-axis. In simply, we have to find x-intercept of this curve. How can we find x-intercept of this curve? Just we put y is equal to 0. In this equation, we get x-intercept of this curve. Okay, we now find x-intercept. To find x-intercept, we put y is equal to 0. We put y is equal to 0 in this equation. We put y is equal to 0 in this equation to get this point. Y is equal to 0, we get 0 is equal to 1 minus 3 by x square, we get 3 by x square is equal to 1, x square is equal to 3, and we get x is equal to plus minus under 3. We again take negative value of x, we take x equal to minus under 3 and discard the value of x equal to under 3 plus under 3, because this point also lies on the left of y-axis. So we take x equal to minus under 3. We now find the value of this smallest area. I now want to show you this smallest area by green lines. We now find this area, this green shaded area. To find this green shaded area, we choose the limit from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to minus under 3. By taking the limit x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to minus under 3, we can find this green shaded area. Green shaded area will be equal to green shaded area. Green shaded area will be minus 1 to minus under 3 by dx, and value of y, we use this curve 1 minus 3 over x square. By solving, we get minus 1 to minus under 3 dx, minus 3 as a constant, we write minus 1 to minus under 3 x raised to power minus 2 dx, integral of dx, which is x, minus 3 integral of x minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Limits of integration minus 1 to minus under 3. We get minus under 3 minus multiply minus 1. This minus makes a plus. We write 3 multiply 1 by x minus 1 to minus under 3, limits of integration, and we get minus under 3 plus 1 plus 3 multiply 1 by, first we use upper limit, minus into minus 1 by minus 1. After simplification, we get minus under 3 plus 1, 3 by under 3 mean minus under 3, then this minus makes a plus, we get 3. We get after simplification minus 2 under 3 plus 4. This is the area which is the smallest area, In the end, we have to subtract this area from this total area, because this smallest area is not included in our required area. At the end, we will find the remaining area, and the remaining area which is the, I want to show this area from, this area will be the, no, in the end we find the area which is remaining. We can find this area from x is equal to minus under root 3 to x is equal to minus 1. This will be the remaining area. To find this area, we know use find this remaining area by using the limits. Blue shaded area will be equal to minus under 3 to minus 1. Minus under 3 to minus 1. We use the curve 1 minus 3 over x. This area will be equal to minus under 3 to minus 1 dx minus 3 we get graph x, limit of integration minus under 3 to minus 1 minus 3 x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, and the limit of integration minus under 3 to minus 1. By applying upper limit, we get minus 1 minus multiplies minus under 3. This minus makes a plus. We write 3 1 by x. Limits of integration minus 3 to minus 1. When we use these limits, we get minus 1 plus under 3. When we find this area, we know that this area lies below the x-axis, and when we find the area which lies below the x-axis, we put the negative sign. We put the negative sign with this integral. We put negative sign with this integral. So this negative sign is called with this. Negative sign is called with this. Negative sign. Negative sign. Minus 1 plus under 3 plus 3. We use upper limit 1 by minus 1 minus multiply minus 1 by under 3. After simplification we get minus multiply minus 1 plus under 3. When we multiply we get minus 3. This minus plus 3 multiply 1 by 3 we get under 3. By changing the sign we get this minus, we get minus multiply minus 4 plus 2 under 3. When we multiply this negative sign we get 4 minus 2 under 3. This will be the remaining area which is shown in blue lines. We now find the total area. Total area we can find this area plus this area, but this area we can find 3 by 4 minus this area. Total shaded area or total required area. Total required area will be equal to 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus the area which is the smallest area which is shown by green shaded area. The amount of green shaded area, the amount of green shaded area, the amount of green shaded area the amount of green shaded area, the amount of green shaded area which was minus 2 under 3 plus 7 by 2. After subtracting this smallest area from this total area, we know add this remaining area. The value of this remaining area will be 4 minus 2 under 3. By solving this we get 3 by 4 plus 2 under 3 minus 7 by 2 plus 4 minus 2 under 3 minus 2 under 3 plus 2 under 3, which will be cancelled. We get 3 by 4 plus 4 minus 7 by 2. After simplification we get 4 LCM, we write 3 plus 4 4 are 16 minus 14. 3 plus 16 makes our 19. 19 minus 14, 5 by 4. The total answer will be 5 by 4. The total shaded area is 5 by 4. Thank you.